Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can create a profile backlink on Trello. Let's jump right into it. Creating a profile backlink on Trello is a simple but effective way to support your SEO and link building strategy. First, open your browser and go to trello.com. Once there, click on the Login button in the top right corner. You can sign in using your email or your Google account. After logging in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Now, head to the top right and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Settings. Then go to Profile and Visibility. This is where your public profile lives. Scroll down to the Bio section. Here, write a short introduction about yourself or your business. Most importantly, add the full URL of your website. This is your backlink. Make sure the link is correct and clickable. Once everything looks good, click Save to update your profile, and that's it. Your profile backlink is now live on Trello and can contribute to your site's SEO.